Good afternoon. I have reservation under Collagen Marto. I check and time right.
Welcome to Shangri-La Mactan, Miss Marto. Let me just pull up your reservation. I am so sorry, but it seems your room isn't quite ready yet. We sincerely apologize for the delay.
What? Not ready? It's 3 p.m. check-in time. What I am supposed to do now?
I understand your frustration, Miss Marto. The previous guest checked out late, and our housekeeping team is working hard to prepare your room. Please allow me to offer you a comfortable seat in our lobby lounge. We also have refreshments available.
So I have just sit and wait? I'm on vacation. I don't want to waste my time waiting in lobby.
I understand. While you wait, please feel free to use our pool or beach facilities. We can store your luggage securely. I will personally update you every 15 minutes on the room's progress.
Every 15 minutes, what? It takes 2 hours. This is ridiculous.
We anticipate the room will be ready within the hour. To compensate for this delay, I'd like to offer you a complimentary upgrade to a sea view room. Would that be acceptable?
A sea view? It's really good view. And what about lunch? I'm starving after my flight.
Yes, it has a stunning view of the ocean. I can also provide a complimentary lunch at our aqua restaurant while you wait. How does that sound?
A sea view room and free lunch? Alright, that's better, but please make sure that room is ready soon. I don't want to be waiting all day.
Absolutely, Miss Marta. I will personally ensure that your room is ready as quickly as possible. I will call you later to personally escort you to your room.